Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of CS Card Payment Method Restriction Add-on. Now this splendid add-on will help the admin to restrict payment methods available to the customers based on products, categories and gift certificates. This add-on works by excluding selected payment options for customers on products during the checkout process. Therefore, it will help the users to create very flexible payment method rules by restricting access to payment methods for customers in certain situations. Kindly note that this particular add-on is well integrated with the CS Card, CS Card Multi-Vendor, CS Card Multi-Vendor Plus and CS Card Multi-Vendor Ultimate as well. So before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So I'll be first taking you through the workflow at the customers end, then I'll be taking you to the backend panel to show you the initial configuration settings, and I'll be showing you how the admin would be able to restrict the payment methods available to the customers based on products, categories and gift certificate as well. So right now you can see that I'm on the storefront right now within the cart as well as you can see, and here you can see that we have the restricted payment methods for this particular product. That's the credit card and the iZeco marketplace. So the admin has restricted these two payment methods. So these two payment methods would not be available to the customers to make a checkout. But apart from that, the enabled ones would be there for the customer to choose and to place the order itself. Now, if I go to the proceed to checkout, let's go to the proceed to checkout section. Here as well, on the right hand side under the order summary, you will find products in your order, and you can see the restricted payment methods that have been restricted for this particular product within the cart there. And here you'll find the other ones that are available for placing the order, like the PayPal and the iZeco marketplace web and other payment methods as well, right? So this was how the admin would be able to restrict the payment methods available to the customers based on products. The same goes with the categories and gift certificates. If there are any products under a particular category, and for that category, whichever restricted payment methods you have set up, when the customer tries to purchase a product under those categories, then the customers will find the restricted payment methods for those products under that particular category itself. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you the workflow at the admin's end. For that, let's hop onto the admin backend panel and let's log into the admin backend panel by entering the email and the password and tapping on the sign in button thereafter. So first of all, I'll be showing you the initial configuration settings for the gift certificates. For that, what you need to do is you need to navigate to add-ons and manage add-ons. Here you'll have to enter payment, and here you'll find the payment method restriction add-on that you have already installed within your CS card that allows the admin and the sellers to restrict any payment method for product categories and the gift certificates. Here you have to tap on the gear icon and tap on the settings option. Now from here, for the gift certificates, you'll be able to choose or you'll be able to disable the payment methods for the gift certificates. So all of the particular payment methods that are enabled there would be listed here. What you need to do is, for example, for the gift certificates, you want to disable iZeco, PayPal, credit card and phone ordering. So you need to select those up and then tap on the save button. Now whenever a customer goes ahead and tries to purchase a gift certificate, these payment methods would, the selected payment methods would not be available for making a checkout there, but only the ones that are not checked would be available for making a checkout there. As I've already shown you, they can see the restricted payment methods within the cart as well and at the time of checkout as well, and they'll find the rest of the ones that are available under the other payment methods and the other payment options available within your store there. So this was about the gift certificate. Now after configuring the restricted payment methods for the gift certificates, you need to tap here on the save button. Now what about the products and the categories there? So for products, what you need to do is you need to go to products and then products, and here you'll find a complete list of products. Now for example, you want to restrict some payment methods for the 3M2741C safety glasses. So what I'll do is I can tap here and tap on the edit option, and this would bring up the edit product page. Now here what you need to do is you need to navigate to the payment method restriction section. Let me close this out, and here you'll find the payment method restriction. So here you'll be able to, what you need to do here is you need to check here the payment methods to disable the payment methods for this particular product. So you can see that I've disabled the iZeco marketplace and the credit card for this one, and we have enabled the iZeco marketplace web, PayPal, phone ordering, and the cash on delivery for this particular product. That's the 3M 2741C safety glasses. Now the same is visible here as well. The restricted ones are credit card and the iZeco marketplace, and when we go to the checkout page we are able to see the restricted ones that are the credit card and the iZeco marketplace. iZeco marketplace and credit card, iZeco marketplace and credit card, and here you can see the enabled ones are iZeco marketplace web and PayPal, and under the other options we'll be able to find the other ones that have been enabled from the backend there. So this is how you can basically restrict the payment methods for the products by going to the particular products. Now coming to the category thing, for categories you need to navigate to categories, and you need to go to a particular category. For example, let's go to home, and under home let's go to lighting, for example, and under lighting let's go to the ceiling lighting. Here what you need to do is you need to tap here and tap on the edit button for the category, and then you need to navigate to the payment method restriction section, and from here for this particular category you can restrict the payment methods that would be applicable for the products under this particular category. So whichever ones that you have selected here would not be available for making a checkout for the products under this particular category, but the ones that have not been selected would be available for making a checkout there itself. So that's how easily this Splendid add-on will help the admin and the vendors to restrict the payment methods available to the customers based on products, categories, and gift certificates. And this add-on works by excluding the selected payment options for customers on products during the checkout process there itself. So yes, that was much about the CS card payment method restriction add-on, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, sessions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.qvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.